Hello everyone and welcome to Nancy's Magic Touch and DIYs. In today's video, I am going to share with you how I took 3 thrift store items and transformed them. They were just laying there on the shelf and I saw the instant beauty and wanted them to decorate my home. So without any further ado guys, just grab your tea and let's get started. I bought this beautiful jar at the thrift store for $5.99 and I love the color. The color is perfect, but it's a little bit blah for me. It needs a little touch, not much, but I need to spruce it up just a little bit. So I'm gonna go and give this a really good clean before I do anything else with it. So I'm going to take the cover and I am going to give it a really good sanding in order to apply some paint. I'm going to give it a really good wipe in order to get rid of all the dust. Now I'm going to take my homemade chalk paint and I am going to give this cover 2 really good coats, allowing to dry between each coats. While I'm waiting for my paint to dry, I'm going to take my glue gun and some rope and I am going to glue that at the bottom edge of that area, that ledge area, I guess. And I'm just gonna go all around that ledge way to the top with this rope, just to give it a little bit more of a rustic feel. I feel like it's missing a little something, and rope is always a nice way to add a little warm touch to pieces. Now that I'm all the way to the top, I am just going to take a little dab of the hot glue and glue that in place. And this is what my vase looked like. I just added a little rustic feel to it and it looks a lot warmer to me, which is what I'm looking for in my decor. And here's the final result. I decided to take the top off the jar and added some beautiful flower. My room is going to be decorated in coral colors and this will be a perfect touch of color into my bedroom. I found this old third tray at the thrift store. I paid $7.99 for this tray and it's really worth it. I find it's hard to find sometimes the old-fashioned tray, and I'm just loving what you can do with these trays for home decor. So I definitely wasn't going to leave that there. Now I'm going to carefully take the tray apart. Now that I have this tray apart, I am going to take this and give it a really good wash. I'm spray painting the back of the plates with Rust-Oleum chalk linen white spray paint. And then once this is dry, I'm going to turn them over and I'm giving 5 coats of paint on the other side in order to cover those green lines on the plate. Now I'm taking some black Bear spray paint and I am going to spray paint the hardware for this piece. I'm going to let that side dry and then repeat on the other side. Now all my pieces are nice and dry and I'm just going to go ahead and put everything back together. Now be careful not to over twist, as you could break your plates. And here's the final result. I just decorated with some simple decoration, but you could use these trays for anything like jewelry. You could use it for simple kitchen decors. You could use it anywhere in your home, really. This adds a really nice decorating touch. I found this cute little bathroom decor at my thrift store and I could not resist it. Of course, it's really outdated and I need to do something with it, but that's the beauty of it, to transform this piece. I'm using some white chalk paint by Rust-Oleum. I actually gave 5 coats of paint to this item in order to cover the blue flower. I'm using my Cricut machine to cut myself a stencil with some permanent vinyl, and the stencil will say relax. And now that my piece is nice and dry and completely covered, I am going to go ahead and apply my stencil to it. Now I am going to take some of the flower green foam, and I am going to cut that to size to fit inside my little bathtub. And now I'm just going to take some greeneries that I have left over on hand, and I'm just going to put that inside my little bathtub. And here's the final result. This will look very pretty in my bathroom and in the process of upgrading my bathroom a little bit, and this will be such a nice little added touch.
Well, that's it, folks, for my video for today. I hope you enjoyed my video and enjoyed these 3 easy DIYs. Sometimes it just needs a little sprucing up and sometimes it needs a complete makeover. But for these items, they were very easy and I was very happy to share them with you. If you like my video, please give me the thumbs up. I would love to hear all your comments down below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that. Until next time, folks, have yourself a great day.